Welcome to your essential guide for personal security while traveling abroad. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your first international trip, staying safe is paramount. In today's interconnected world, being prepared for potential risks is the best way to ensure a smooth and worry-free journey. This video will walk you through step-by-step precautions you can take. Let's start with the crucial steps to take before you even leave home. Preparation is your first line of defense. Research your destination thoroughly. Understand the political, social, and health risks, and always register your trip with your country's embassy or consulate. This helps them locate you in an emergency. Make digital and physical copies of your passport, visa, and insurance. Store them separately from the originals. Create a list of emergency contacts, including local police and medical services. Your digital life is just as important to protect as your physical belongings, especially when connecting to foreign networks. Ensure all your devices are protected with strong passwords or biometrics, and enable two-factor authentication. Always use a reliable virtual private network, or VPN, when connecting to public Wi-Fi to encrypt your data. Be mindful of what you post online. Avoid broadcasting your current location or detailed travel plans on social media, as this can make you a target. Wait until you return home to share photos and location tags. Next, let's talk about the physical protection of your most important items, like cash, cards, and documents. Consider using anti-theft bags, money belts, or neck wallets for discreet carrying. Only carry what cash you need for the day, and leave expensive jewelry or unnecessary valuables at home. When in your accommodation, utilize the hotel safe for your passport, extra cash, and credit cards. Do not leave sensitive items easily accessible in your room. Travel days in your place of stay are high-risk times. Stay alert during your transit and secure your temporary home. In busy transit hubs like airports and train stations, be aware of distraction theft. Keep your bags close, especially at security checks and crowded areas. Never leave your luggage unattended. As soon as you enter your room, inspect all door and window locks. If you feel they are inadequate, use portable door locks or door stops for an extra layer of security. Your personal awareness and behavior play a huge role in deterring potential threats. Use reputable navigation apps, but be cautious. Avoid walking alone at night in unfamiliar areas, and be suspicious of common tourist scams designed to distract you. Dress appropriately for the local culture and avoid looking overly like a tourist. Be polite but firm with strangers, especially those offering unsolicited help or services. In the event something goes wrong, knowing how to respond quickly is critical. Know the local emergency numbers. Have a predetermined communication plan with family or friends back home, and regularly check in with them so they know you are safe. If something is lost or stolen, report it immediately to the local police and obtain a copy of the police report. This is essential for insurance claims and replacing documents. By following these simple yet crucial security steps, you significantly reduce risks and increase your chances of having a safe, enjoyable, and memorable trip abroad. Travel smart, stay vigilant, and enjoy your adventure.